video, we'll explore ZSpheres, a powerful modeling tool that simplifies the creation of 3D models, especially organic shapes, allowing for both speed and ease in the design process. To create a ZSphere, simply navigate to the Objects section in the Tool palette. This unique two-toned red sphere is called the ZSphere. Let's place it on stage and switch to Edit mode. The primary purpose of the ZSphere is to assist in developing a rough model, which can then be converted into a polymesh. To create a new ZSphere, click on the surface of the existing one and drag to add a new sphere. We can also activate the symmetry options. To make further adjustments, we can use functions like Move, Scale, and Rotate, which are located at the top. Additionally, we can place ZSpheres between the individual spheres and move them to create a curve. Furthermore, we can easily remove the added ZSpheres by holding down the Alt key and clicking directly on the ZSphere with the left mouse button to delete it. Let's quickly build a body using ZSpheres. Once we have completed the work, we need to convert the ZSpheres into a polymesh. To accomplish this, we navigate to the Adaptive Skin submenu within the Tool palette. Here we can display a preview of our model. The keyboard shortcut for this is the A key. If needed, we can also adjust the polygon resolution. Once we are satisfied with everything, we click on Make Adaptive Skin. At the same time, a new tool with the prefix skin is created, which now functions as a regular tool. We can then save this and start the sculpting work. Additionally, ZBrush offers another method for creating the base of various models. It's known as the ZSketch method. In the next video, we'll explore this technique.